Frustrated with clients breaking things on the WordPress dashboard or getting confused? Stop wasting time with multiple plugins to customize the admin area. This one plugin lets you hide admin menus, customize the toolbar, and create a custom login page, all without needing a pro version. It's easy to use, looks great, and works out of the box. Let's dive into how you can create a fully customized dashboard for your clients. To begin with, head over to Plugins. We will be installing this awesome plugin. Click on the Add New, and in the keyword area, type in White Label. The plugin is this one. Click to install, and once the installation has been done, click again to activate the plugin. To give you more context, I have here a simple WordPress installation. The theme in use is the Allow theme from Elementor, and I will be only using the free version of Elementor and the plugin we have already installed. This is the default WordPress dashboard area, and we are going to customize this overwhelmed area to this one. Where my client can reach me as a developer. And for this, I will be using the plugin in combination with the free version of Elementor. Next, we will customize the login page. This is the familiar WordPress login page, and we will modify it so that your client gets a beautiful login page like this one you are viewing on the screen, where he can upload his own brand logo. And I will be showing you how to hide some redundant menu item links from the admin menu so my client won't get confused and work overwhelmed. And finally, I will design in Elementor this welcome page. There is now a new entry under the WordPress Settings tab, White Label SCMS. The plugin is broken down into 5 easy-to-use different sections: branding, login, dashboard, menus, and settings. We start configure the WordPress branding, and once you click on the toggle button, we are allowed to hide all the mentions to WordPress, as well as to hide the links to WordPress.org. So just click the toggle button. Underneath, we have the ability to hide the WordPress version, which appears in the footer area. This over here. And the next screen below is to configure the admin bar logo. And what this means is that we can replace the WordPress logo in the admin bar. And to make this work, we just have to upload the logo, and the max height is 20 pixels. Let's use this one. The admin bar alt text, I leave it blank, but you can go with this option. And we also have the ability to replace the Audi text, which is this one over here. I enter hi. And the admin bar URL option, this is to replace the link to WordPress.org if you don't want to showcase this to your clients. Next up, we have 4 options to configure and restrict the side menu brandings. So they are referring to this WordPress logo over here. Next, if you are using the Gutenberg, you can define the behavior of the Gutenberg exit button. We have 3 options: the exit icon, admin bar, or custom icon. In other words, your own icon. I pass on this because I'm using Elementor Page Builder. And now we have the ability to customize the footer area with your branding details. We have options to add your footer image, uploading here, or the footer text, which will appear to the right of the footer image, and the footer URL which means it will replace the WordPress in the page titles. Alternatively, you can use this option to add your own HTML code, and if you use this option, it will override anything set in these 3 fields above. Okay, I'm done with the branding configuration, so I need to click on the Save button. And next up, after you refresh, let's take a closer look. And so we have the logo which I uploaded. My Audi has been changed into my high, and the WordPress version has been hidden. Next up, we'll configure the WordPress login page. So you upload your login. You can use this retina login logo. Next, we can choose the background color you want to use on the login page and specify the background image you want to include. If you want to enable the full screen background image, and let's have a preview. Okay, pretty cool. If you want to hide the register lost your password link, if you want to hide it, you just need to enable this option, and you have the ability to hide the back to link option. Furthermore, you have these options to stylize it further, to apply some different colors. So it's really up to you what you want to do with this fantastic plugin. Now for the dashboard part, you will go to dashboard. You specify here the dashboard icon you want to showcase. Let's go with this one. You specify here your website, and you select here the roles the dashboard panels will be hidden to. You have the options to enable for administrator, for editor, author, contributor, a subscriber. In addition, you can toggle on this option in order to hide all dashboard panels. Let's test this. Save this option, refresh, go back to the dashboard, and here we have it. Obviously, you can choose to only hide some of the dashboard panels. It's not mandatory you hide all the dashboard panels. And the reason why I choose to hide all dashboard panels is because we are going to create next our custom panel with Elementor. And so I need to tell white label plugin that I'm going to create my welcome dashboard panel. And so to do that, you need to enable this add your own welcome panel. We have the option to specify what roles do you want to present your welcome panel to. You want to display to administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber. And then we can design this welcome page by using basic HTML, or I will be using Elementor, so I enable Elementor, and this drop-down list option is to tell to the plugin which templates I want to use. And so for this I need to create beforehand the Elementor templates. And so you click on templates, add a new template, you select the type of template you want to work. I go with the section, I name it welcome template. Inside Elementor Canva, I go with the Flexbox container. This is a vertical one. Let's add a new widget. This time is a heading. Let's put it welcome to the dashboard. Let's center this, change the text color into black. Typography, I go with Poppins, and I go with 333 ramps. And now we will adding under the style the background image. So select the container, under the style, background type, classic one, and then define here the image. Could be this one, image centered, no repeat, and the minimum height could be 400 pixels. Yeah, this one, I like it. Now place the heading to the center, select the justify content like this, then change the text color to white. Let's work with the background overlay. Background type could be a color Could be this one, darker. Yeah, that's cool. With opacity. Yeah, I like it. Next up, I need to add a contact form on this welcome dashboard. I really don't need premium features. So for this reason, I usually use the free version of the Fluent Forms plugin. So let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Click to install a new plugin. The plugin is available from the WordPress repository. So let's search here for Fluent Forms. Is this one. Install it so that we can proceed. This is a lightweight, user-friendly, customizable drag-and-drop WordPress contact form plugin, and I highly recommend it for both beginners and advanced users. I will use one of the basic templates, so let's open Fluent Forms and click to add a new form. Let's take a closer look to the templates. And I will use this one, so I go directly to Elementor templates, edit Elementor. I'm gonna add a container, a Flexbox container with a heading, drag and drop. I use the form below to contact me. That's fine. Let's center this, change the color, center. Let's have some padding here. So 2 rams. Then I will search now for Fluent Forms. Drag and drop it below. Let's select the Fluent form. This one. There you have it. Let's add some padding. Padding, top. Okay. Something like this. Just click to publish. Let's go back to WordPress dashboard. Open white label. And now, under the dashboard, identify your template here. Welcome template. Save it. Refresh the WordPress dashboard. Let's take a closer look. Okay, perfect. Finally, if we go to the menus, we can define the menus to be hidden. I enable this option. And now there is this extensive list whereby you have the ability to select which menus you want them to show up to the client. So dashboard, I don't want to display updates. I only want to display post, media, pages and comments, and the rest is to be hidden. And save it. Let's refresh the page. And this is not working because it works also for administrators. So let's add another admin. Let's say it's Sam. Let's change here. He's an administrator, add a new user. Let's log out. Let's use now the new administrator. And as you can see, I only have these menus, the posts, the media, the pages, the comments, and the collapse menu. All of the remaining ones have been hidden. Fantastic, right? That's it for today. Did you know that WordPress has an underrated feature that allows you to check your site health, performance, and security? Simply click on the video link to learn everything you need to know about it. I remind you, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Let me know if this stuff is helpful to you or whether this is confusing. I try to respond to every single comment. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching.